Hi YouTube friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we will learn how to make a new game of Scratch 2. So let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video please. So let's start. I have opened my Scratch 2 window and here I will click on this question mark symbol. Yes. Now here it is written step by step, so that means we can learn from here step by step how to code any game or or animate anything. So I do not want so today we will make a birthday card. So let's start. Okay, now first choose a backdrop library. We have to go, so we have to click on this. Now we have to choose what we have to choose. I didn't see. Wait. Yes, I have to choose party or light. Okay, I will choose party or light. So I want to choose party. Where is party? Yes, here it is. Okay, now I have chosen the backdrop from here. Wait, I deleted. Yes, now here it is written events when stage clicked, change color by 25. Okay, first I have to go to the scripts area. Now events tab, when stage clicked, then looks block and change color effect by 25. So I have done. So I can do this. It's working. Yes, so I should reset it. Yes, now again to reset the colors at the start, add this to script. When clicked, clear graphic effects. When clicked, I have added this, and once again wait, nothing is. Wait, yes, it's working now. Yes, next, and wait, here it is written new. We have to choose a new sprite. Okay, I'm choosing which one. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm choosing, then I will show you. So here friends, I have chosen the Giga. Now we have to make another script. Yes, so I think I have to delete it. Okay, leave it. So I have to click it. Wait. Yes, now I have to build a script like this to say something. Say happy birthday for 2 seconds. Okay. Wait. Yes. Yes, I have done. Oh, I forgot to do this. Yes, now another script. Okay. Happy birthday. Yes, now it is working. Okay. I should shrink my cat a little bit. Yes, it's okay now. Yes, it's now okay. And next, now add a new sprite. Again, I will choose a cake. So cake. Where is cake? I am not getting the cake. Hey, everything. Where is the cake? Wait. No. Again I have to choose. Yes, I got the cake. Yes. Sorry for Okay, now select a party. Okay, a cake I have taken. So now cake. Okay, I have to shrink the giga also. Okay, now it is very good. Yes, now it's very good. Okay, I have to sounds. Wait, back I have to go. Then click sounds tab. Then click this one, sound. Okay. Wait, which I will choose now? Okay, now not this. This music is very good.
Hey.
It's good. I'll choose this one. Wait. Now friends, I have chosen the dance round in the cake sprite, not in the giga, and sprite one is nothing. Okay, I have to select cake and events tab. Then when this sprite clicked, I have taken change size by 10. Change size by 10. Okay, the looks block, change size by 10, and then change size by -10. So I have to write minus over there. So yes, now what I have to make, wait 1 second in the middle. Now okay, again wait 1 second after that. To make the sprite smaller and type in the minus y. Now next, repeat 4 times. Okay, I've done. Now again, yes. Now set size to 100%. Okay, yes, I've done. Now I have to click on the next button. In the next video I will make the video in Hindi. Okay, now now sprite 1 I have to choose. Then when this sprite clicked, turn 15 degrees. Okay, now turn 15 degrees right side. Okay, I have done. And repeat. Yes, repeat to 24 times. Yes, now it is okay. When clicked, point in direction 90. Okay, point in direction 90. Okay, next, customize your card. What else do you want to add? Try some of these ideas. Add more things. You can click this one. What? New sprite. Choose sprite from the library to choose another sprite from the library, or draw on your own. I'll not. Yes, I have to draw. I will draw. Costumes. Draw a new sprite. I will make a new sprite. So I'll make a sprite, then you see. So guys, I have made this smiley face. Now I have to make a new script for this sprite. When clicked this sprite, say celebrate for 2 seconds. Okay, yes. Yes, I have done. Now experiment with making your own scripts. Here are some blocks you may want to try. Change color effect by 25. Play drum 1. Okay, I'll not make any other things. Okay, I have to click the stage. Yes, stage. Now I want to delete this. Okay, now when stage clicked, change color effect by fish eye. Okay, fish eye. Okay, I have done. Untitled birthday card. Now I want to save this project. I'll name this project birthday RTHDAY birthday card. Now I have to save here. Where I am saving, I don't know. Wait, on the libraries. Okay, wait, I'll save in this. Okay, now here I will save this. Save. Now okay, birthday card. Let's play this game. Not game, let's see the birthday party. Wait a minute, what happened? Wait. Oh. Okay. Oh, I didn't say na. Wait, play the sound. Yes, now it is okay. It is also, wait, I have to shrink this. Yes, now it is okay. Now wait, what happened? Wait, change fishy eye. Okay, wait. Oh, that is why color. Wait. I have to make it. Oh, okay, I have to choose a new background for this now. Where it is. Oh, birthday. Oh no, yes, party. Okay, yes. So I have choose this one. Okay, wait, I do not want to save this picture. I want to delete this background image. Oh shit, man, I cannot change the background. Okay, no worries, I will play it like this only. Yes, what happened? Wait, Scratch 2 exe is not responding. Cancel. So guys, my computer is hanging and so I cannot show you again and again. So that's it for today's video. So please subscribe my channel. I have seen many of you didn't subscribe my channel but seeing my videos, okay, liking, but not subscribing these videos, okay, not subscribing my channel. So please subscribe my channel. Happy ending for this video. Goodbye, take care of all of you. So let's complete this video.